it's Janie Pendleton, and we are back in my kitchen where we want to have a quick take Saturday. That's right, we're having a one take Saturday. And on today's list was, that's right, Goodwill. If you think Janie went to Goodwill, you would be right. We ran in the last 15 minutes before they closed, and we found a chandelier for the tent. That was like a chandelier I always wanted. And then as I was walking out the door, I saw these two beautiful vases. They've got grapes and flowers and stuff on them. They're absolutely gorgeous. And I gotta look in the light and see who they're by. It says they're by Flatsgraf. However you say that, I don't know. But anyway, you can see here it was $3.99. So for $3.99, that was each, minus our military discount and the day that we went. So these were originally $35.25. They went on sale for $17.69, and they both are labeled the same here. See, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if you can. $35.25 and $17.69. I paid $3.99 each for them. They are brand new. Now, the way the top is shaped, I'm going to assume there was supposed to be some lids here, and maybe they sold these at a discount at whatever store, because the lids were probably missing. I'm going to go back tomorrow because I didn't have enough time, and I'm going to look in the morning and see if I can't find the lids for these, because sometimes they'll get separated. But if not, they make some beautiful vases, and that is what I'm planning to do with them in my sewing room, maybe even in my bedroom with the remodel. I mean, you can see it would go in any room in my house. They're absolutely stunning. I could even put them up here. I could sit over here on the table. I could sit it up here inside the hutch. So I got several places I can use these, but because I got two of them, that's really cool. So if you have these vases and you know whether or not they're supposed to have lids or not on these, will you let me know? Or where I can get the lids for them? I might go on eBay and take a look and see if I can find these. I mean, I don't know if they're vases and that's just the way they are, or if they're supposed to be some sort of a apothecary type jar. I don't know. So I'll go on the Flatsgraf and I will see. But they're really beautiful. Right up my alley, okay? Candle. I got this beautiful candle. It was a $6 candle from Big Lots. I picked it up for $1.99. Brand new, never been burned. Strong scented, and when I looked up, they are still selling these. It's called Macaron. It has a really nice scent, and the color matched my colors. Be careful, Papa, Papa, Papa. And this was $6.99, and we ended up with a beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, but we ended up with a beautiful crystal light, and this is going to go, where's this going, Papa?
Out in the pop-up.
The pop-up tent?
Yes, it's a pop-up. We'd have to show them the picture of the pop-up, so I'm going to hang it just like that.
And then you're going to put a plug on the actual cord itself. Here's the cording. So $6 was $6.99, right?
Yes.
And plus our discount. So it was more like around $5.50 or something like that.
Yeah, and these, I'm not sure how much these run, but we got to glue one of these in.
I'm going to glue them all in just to make sure. I'm going to hot melt glue them all in just to make sure. But there you go, okay? So that's our one take Saturday. Those are our best deals of the day. Oh yeah, okay, what else did we get? We forgot we did get something else.
You got a potting bench.
I got a potting bench, a wrought iron potting bench for $19.99 minus the military discount and the Goodwill discount. So we picked up for about $16.50, something like that. We picked up a really nice wrought iron potting bench.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
They're really beautiful. So we'll show that tomorrow when it's daylight. Okay.
So, and this is what happens at Goodwill. People turn in stuff that they don't want, and you might find something that you do want.
Yeah. All right, this is it for One Take Saturday. What do you have to say, Daddy?
Enjoy. Buy the bargains. Either make more or spend less.